Here's how to share Help Center articles from inside a ticket, and I'm going to show you how to do it in under 3 minutes. Whether you're managing customer support or providing quick answers, knowing how to share relevant help articles directly from within a ticket will save you time and improve your service. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open the ticket where you need to share an article. Once you're inside the ticket, look for the Help Center or Knowledge Base section, depending on the software you're using. Now, you'll see a search bar or a list of popular articles. Start by typing the keyword or topic you want to share, and the software will automatically display relevant articles from your Help Center. This is a great time saver because you don't have to go digging for the right article manually. You can also narrow your search by using more specific terms. Once you've found the article that best fits the customer's question or issue, most software will have an option to share or send the article directly into the ticket. This can be in the form of a link or an embedded preview, depending on the platform. All you need to do is click the share button and it's sent right into the conversation. Your customer now has access to the exact article they need without you needing to copy-paste or re-explain things. Now, some platforms allow you to add a personalized message along with the article to give the customer a little extra context. This is where you can quickly add your thoughts or clarify any key points that might be useful. If the software you're using supports it, it's worth customizing your message to make it even more helpful. Here's a pro tip. If you use a software that lets you track article views or interactions, you'll know whether the customer read the article you shared. This can help you follow up more effectively and ensure that the customer's issue is truly resolved. It's like an easy way to get feedback without the back and forth. You've seen how quick and easy it is to share Help Center articles directly from inside a ticket. You'll be saving time while providing better service. Before I wrap up, if you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we're using today. It's only available to viewers of my channel. So, the key takeaway. Sharing Help Center articles from inside a ticket is simple and helps you resolve issues faster. Remember, use the search to find the right article, share it directly from the ticket, and personalize the message when necessary. Don't forget to grab your free trial in the description if you want to get started with the software today. Thanks for watching.